Welcome. Today on the Wellness Project, we're going to talk about common mistakes in condom use and how you can avoid them to ensure that you prevent unwanted pregnancies and keep safe from getting sexually transmitted infections. Thank you so much to all people who have been tuning in into this channel, and I hope that you can keep subscribing, liking, sharing. But I also want feedback from you, so use the comment section down there to put your views, questions. So, Dr. Mtunga here, and today I want to tell us about condom use. We are seeing a rise in the number of cases of people with HIV, and I just felt like I should tell us about condoms. Condoms have actually evolved as a powerful gear to protect people against unwanted pregnancies, but also sexually transmitted infections like HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea, and the likes. But there is a catch in use of condoms. You have to make sure that you're using them right. So in this conversation that we're going to hold today, we want to look at some of the common mistakes that people use when they're trying to use condoms. Condoms are effective when used the right way, but most people do not know how to use condoms the right way. The first thing, when you hold a condom pack, check for the expiry date. If it's expired, chances are high that it's going to tear. So condoms are made of latex and it can break over time, so check. If it's expired, do not use. 2, if it's opened, do not use. You have no idea who opened it and how long it's been like that. So if it's an open condom, do not attempt to use. 3, do not use 2 condoms at the same time. We have people who think that maybe for maximum protection you have to use more than 1 condom. Please use 1 condom at one time. When you ejaculate, use another condom. Do not reuse it. So do not use more than 1 condom at a go. Use 1 each time you're having sex. When the round is done, open another pack and use a fresh condom. Do not wash condoms and reuse them. Condoms are single use. When you finish using them, please dump them in a trash can and open up another pack. 3, do not use oil-based lubrications if you are someone who needs a bit of help with lubrication. There are people who have challenges with lubrication which interferes with their sexual experience. So if you're choosing to use lubricant, let it be silicone or water-based. Those are condom safe, but oil, jellies, and anything is going to break down the rubber, and that is not what you want. So make sure that you use condom-friendly lubrications if you need it. 4, make sure that you roll the condom just when your penis is engorged with blood and you have achieved maximum erection. Do not roll it prematurely, and do not roll it all the way before you can actually put it on the penis. Make sure you've put it at the right time, even before you see any pre-cum or anything. Make sure that you're not putting the condom too early or too late, and make sure that you use it effectively for that. The challenge is going to be with people who use sharp instruments to open the condom pack. Don't use knives, don't use razor blades, don't use pins, don't use your teeth to bite the condom. Just use your hands and open from the very edge of the condom to prevent tearing or damage to the condom. If you damage the condom, it's like you're going to do zero work now, because the condom is now already damaged, maybe with a hole, and that will lead to you being exposed to sexually transmitted diseases if you don't know the person that you're having the sex with, but also you could end up pregnant because the condom that you are using is actually damaged. The other thing is people who use more than 1 condom at a time. Please do not attempt to use more than 1 condom at a time. It's 1 round, 1 condom. Do not use more than 1 at a time. And then storage of the condoms. Store them in a place which is not hot, because that will lead to breakdown of the latex or the rubber that makes the condom. So condoms need to be stored in a cool and dry place, not in hot temperatures that cause the strength of the condom to actually reduce. So if you practice those, you're going to make sure that you prevent yourself from getting unwanted pregnancies and also keeping safe. I hope that you keep safe. I hope that you use condoms right, because they are effective. Thank you for watching.